Hi everyone, today we're looking at excavating to an RL. We have our contour plan with our grid points noted, our excavation RL which is 100 and a 15% bulking factor. There's the details just there, our RL of 100 and our 15% bulking factor. Okay, here's our grid points A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3 and C3. So the first thing we do is list our grid points. So we've got A1, A2, and then we just list the rest of them there. Then the next thing we do is we list the grid RLs. Okay, the RL at A1 is 110.2, at A2 is 110.1, and then we just fill the rest in. Our next step is we have to deduct the RL to be excavated. So from at A1 we're going to deduct 100, which is our RL. We just do that to each of those grid points. We're minusing 100, and that gives us an answer at A1 of 10.2 meters. So we've got 110.2 minus 100 gives us our 10.2. Okay, then we just complete the rest of those calculations. Okay, what we have here now is we have the total depth in meters. Okay, so we have the total depth in meters. We have 92.9 meters in depth that's going to be excavated. Now, what we do with that, we then divide it by the 9 grid points, because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 grid points. And why we do that is it gives us an average depth. Okay, that's giving us an average depth of excavation at each grid point. Okay, so what we do with that average depth, we then take it and we times it by, we want to find out the area now. So we've got our average depth, we're timesing it by our 5 meter grid length, and then we're going to times it by our 5 meter grid width, and then we're going to times it by 4, which is the number of grid areas. And what we get with that, we get an answer of 1032.2 cubic meters. Okay, so that's how we do that calculation there. Then what we have to do, we then add our bulking factor onto that. So we times it by 1.15, and we get an answer of 1187.03 cubic meters. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. A little bit of calcs for you. So good luck.